In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Canon PIXMA TR160 portable printer. So the first step is to obviously open it. Make sure it's turned on by pressing the power button. Then on the display, you need to select the cogwheel on the lower left side. So I'll press the down arrow and then select OK. You need to select device settings. So I'll press once on the arrow down and then OK. Go down, reset settings, press OK. And now we have multiple options. If you simply want to reset the Wi-Fi of this printer, you're going to select LAN settings only, and the rest will stay the same. If you want to do a factory reset, as I said and at the beginning of this video, you need to select Reset All, press OK. Arrow up to select yes, press OK once again, and in under a minute, the printer will do its thing and will be factory resetted at the end. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, take a moment, like, but also comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.